Hello everybody, making this video in regards to the copy add-on issue. I tried reinstalling the game completely. I even put it on my internal hard drive, so I thought maybe that was the issue. Other thing I did is I took out the disk itself and I cleaned it. I actually took it to the sink, and I used a little bit of Dawn soap, just a little bit, just to get any like oil that was maybe in it. Cleaned it real good. Used a microfiber towel to dry it. I made sure there was no fuzzies on it. Um, Put the disc back in, and I downloaded all the game and everything. So I opened the game and did the copy add-on thing. It completed it. It let me open the game. But when I went back to this screen right here, it still said installation suspended. So I was like, oh, it didn't fix the issue. So what I did now is, if you press R3, it says file management. I just went and installed everything, including the special ops packs. Right now the special op packs are installing. Also, people said these two right here, campaign pack 1 and campaign pack 2, are the vital ones. And then once you install those, you just exit out of the game and then restart it, and it should stop the copy add-on loop. But what I'm doing right now is I actually didn't exit the game. I'm downloading everything, letting everything install. Once everything's installed, I'm gonna try to restart the game. From right now, I'm staying on the game, and the percentage are actually moving on all three. So I'm gonna leave it in this screen till it finishes downloading all the packs. And once all the packs are downloaded, I'm going to close the game, close application, and then restart the game. And I'm gonna see if that fixes the issue. So I'm not gonna upload this video until I confirm that's what's going on. If it fixes it, I'm gonna upload it. If it doesn't, I'm not gonna probably upload it. But so I'm gonna let it finish, and then I'm going to video record once it's finished, see if that fixes it. So we'll see. So we'll do a little fast forward time warp, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hello everybody, I'm back. So as you can see now, it no longer says installing or install suspended. So it seems that it has installed everything. So press R3 to check out the file management, and everything is saying installed now. So that's good, right? Go to the campaign. It says loading assets. Wait till that screen go away. Okay, it's letting me start the campaign now. Let's go to multiplayer. Loading assets. I think that part is important to kind of, for the game to know that everything's installed. I think it checks it and it verifies that everything's installed. Everything's there. Something I didn't mention before, I deleted my save game data. I saw a video that apparently that also could be a cause for this. So I actually uploaded it to the PlayStation Cloud and then deleted it from my hard drive. If you go to storage, you can find save game data, and I just deleted it from there after I backed it up on the cloud. My loadouts are still here. So I guess the loadouts get saved on the Activision account. My loadouts from Warzone, I checked them previously. They are there as well. And this is my multiplayer. Co-op. I believe this is a special ops. Yep, special ops. That one seems to be working as well. So now, the main moment of truth is, can I exit the game and restart it without the copy add-on screen coming up? So, oh yeah, let me show you guys. As you guys can see, all of it got installed. All the add-ons are installed now. So, let's take a look and see. Alright, so I'm on the home page. Alright, it seems to be loading, but this time the screen came up, so... Oh yeah, it worked. So what did I do, guys, in case you don't fully understand what I did? Well, what I did was, one, I cleaned the disk really well. Two, I deleted the save game data from my storage. One thing I also did, I thought this would have helped, but it didn't, was I deleted the game completely and reinstalled it completely. But I still got the error, so I don't think that's a step you really need to take. The next thing I did is, once it downloaded the update, I came here to this screen and it said installation suspended on all three of these: campaign, multiplayer, and co-op. So what did I do? I press R3, file management, and through here I just told it to install all of these. It took me to a PlayStation Store page, and it has a list of all the add-ons. I just downloaded all the add-ons that were on there, all of them, and it took a long time. I started at around 8 o'clock this morning, and it's now 5 o'clock, and I believe it finished like a half an hour ago, so it finished around 4:30. So took quite a bit of time to do that, but however, that also included me reinstalling the whole game though, so it might actually be shorter than that. I forgot about that. So now that everything's installed, it seems to be working. And one thing that I think it's important is I did not exit the game while it was downloading the add-ons. I just stayed here on this screen. I'm sorry, the control disconnected a couple times and it was fine. When I turned on the controller, it would take me back to the screen and everything was still downloading from here. So the percentages were moving really slowly. For a moment I thought they weren't, but they actually were moving. So once it completely finished installing everything, I came here and everything was working fine. As you can see, everything is working fine now. So I think that's one of the main things, is maybe you have to stay on the screen to make sure it downloads, copies, and it kind of verifies the add-ons. So now it's working perfectly fine. So basically what I think you have to do is go to this page. Once it finishes doing the copy add-on, go to this page. If it says installation suspended or it gives you a percentage, go to this screen, download everything, go back to this screen and just wait for everything to download here. Once everything's downloaded, start the campaign, start the multiplayer, start the co-op, start Warzone, to take you to the screen to start a game. and once all that's done, it should let you restart the game without having to do the copy add-on loop that kept happening. Like what was happening to me is I would let it finish downloading, or I mean copying, and once it was finished it would open the game, but then I couldn't play multiplayer, campaign, or anything because it's install suspended. So I was like, what is going on? And then when I would exit the game and try to start again, same thing would happen, copy add-on, and that would be like 30 minutes to do so. So this seems to have worked. So hopefully this helps you guys. If you guys have any questions on the steps I took, I will go ahead and list them on the description. That way you don't have to watch this whole video of me speaking. But hopefully that this kind of helps you to get this game going again. It's very annoying, but looks like to be a fix. One thing I do want to say, I did go on the internet to check like what was going on, and one person said like they cleaned the disk and that's all it needed, and that worked for them. That didn't work for me. The other one said that they deleted the save game data. I did that. It didn't work for me. Some people said to reinstall the game completely. That didn't work for me. This worked for me. It's downloading everything through this screen. That worked for me. So hopefully it works for you guys. Alright. Another thing. I said to install all of them. But one of the main ones that I heard are very important are these two. Campaign Pack 1, Campaign Pack 2. Both of them are only a megabyte, which means it's a file to have the game run. There's no actual content, it's just probably software to let the game run, so they're probably pretty important. So if you're gonna try not to install anything, install these two for sure. Campaign Pack 1, Campaign Pack 2. So these seem to be a very important pack, both of these, so make sure you download them. If you're not gonna try to download the multiplayer and the special ops, at least download Campaign Pack 1 and Campaign Pack 2. One person said that actually worked for them, and they showed in the video that it worked for them, so I think those two are pretty important as well. I did try to do that as well, and it didn't work for me. I think there was a bigger issue with mine, but now it's working. So alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I'll try to answer them for you.